Hello everyone, it's Wolfgang Gray with Gray's Horizons. I hope you're doing well. The US dollar once held nearly 70% of global reserves. Now it's fallen to just 57.7%. Meanwhile, BRICS expands and gold holdings rise. What does this mean for America's grip on global finance? According to IMF data, the dollar's share of global reserves just dropped below 58%, its lowest level in over 2 decades. At the same time, the euro rose to 20.1%, its highest since late 2022. Holding the world's main reserve currency gives the US exorbitant privilege, borrowing at lower rates, running bigger deficits, and exerting global influence. Since early 2024, BRICS expanded from 5 to 10 members, adding Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, UAE, and in January, Indonesia. Collectively, the group now accounts for roughly 56% of global population and about 44% of global GDP. At recent summits, BRICS leaders have emphasized reducing dollar dependence and exploring alternative payment systems. China, Russia, and India are steadily adding gold to their reserves, a hedge against dollar exposure. Though still just 10% of reserves, it's a meaningful diversification strategy. On June 30th, 2025, the Fed injected over $11 billion via overnight repo operations, its largest since the 2020 response. This wasn't a panic, but a sign of tighter short-term funding. It's worth noting. The trend is gradual, not apocalyptic. The dollar still dominates. Yet, steady decline, BRICS expansion, gold accumulation, and liquidity shifts could erode US economic influence over time. Leverage is based on more than size. It's about stability, trust, and predictability. America's financial supremacy isn't gone, but its foundations are shifting. This isn't fear-mongering, it's trend watching. The world isn't ending, but the rules are shifting. So what can you do while power moves quietly in the background? Diversify where you store value. The dollar isn't going away, but overexposure is risky exposure. That means thinking beyond checking accounts and traditional savings. Consider real assets like land, productive skills, hard money like gold and silver, or long-term strategies in decentralized networks. Don't chase headlines, change fundamentals. BRICS isn't overnight doom, but overconfidence in dollar permanence is dangerous. Ask yourself, what holds value across time, borders, and crises? Build parallel systems. This might mean reducing your reliance on centralized finance or finding ways to transact, save, and invest without needing permission from brittle gatekeepers. Think private wallets, local networks, personal resilience. When systems built on control begin to fray, the best response isn't panic, it's preparation. Don't wait for collapse, build immunity now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful background. I've said before, I love to come out into nature and take my dog and film with them. So, if this video resonated with you, hit like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.